Hi Benji and Eileen, congratulations on your 25th wedding anniversary. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. So I remember when you were starting to date, when we were in college, when Eileen and I was in college. So we were classmates and our class tends to be very close. So si Benji become also part of the barkada. So their relationship was fun, it was adventurous, but they also started young. So a lot of people could have underestimated how strong their relationship can be, diba? Pero I'm really glad to see that you have proven everyone that love, that your love actually withhold the test of time. So it has not been easy. I mean, I could not imagine what you went through as parents, diba? There were trials that could actually easily break a relationship, but you were able to get past through it, and like in the course of your marriage you raised 3 beautiful children, and I know that you have many more years to come, and I wish you all the best, and hopefully cheers to another more 25 years, and hopefully you get married back here in the Philippines again so I can still be your bridesmaid. So bye everyone.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary!
Mars.
So, 25 years of love, laughter, and standing by each other. Hindi madali yun for sure. What a beautiful blessing and inspiration you both are to us. So, may your days continue to be filled with joy, love, and wonderful memories together.
Congratulations on this amazing milestone, and here's to many more years of happiness ahead. Mars and Parts.
Morning po. Happy 25 wedding anniversary, Benji and Eileen. Marami kayong pinagdaan ng pagsubok sa buhay, pero hindi kayo bumitaw sa isa't isa. Napalaki nyo ng maayos ang inyong mga anak, at proud kami na nandyan kayo sa New Zealand na may tumutulong sa ating mga kay nanay at sa mga pamangkin natin na binibigyan nyo rin ng halaga para sila ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. I hope na magkita-kita ulit tayo dito sa susunod na taon, na bigyan pa tayo ng kalakasan ni Lord, pati si nanay na laging nandyan, na malakas, at gabayan kayo lagi ni Lord sa inyong buhay dyan sa New Zealand, na maging maayos at ligtas. Salamat. God bless you all. Happy wedding anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary, Benji and Eileen. Sa lahat ng pagsubok na nadaanan nyo, nalagpasan nyo, salamat kasi lagi kang nandyan para sa amin, sa pamilya mo, handa kang tumulong sa lahat ng pangailangan. Lagi lang kayong gabayan ni Lord. Magtagal pa lalo yung pagsasama niyong dalawa, at kikita niyo pa yung mga apo niyo. Saksi kami sa pinagdaanan yung pagsubok sa buhay. Again, happy 25th anniversary, Benji and Lingling.
Happy anniversary, Benji and Eileen. 25 years. That's incredible. Sabi ko nga it's God that we saw in that celebration. Kasi napaka hirap, no, marating to. If not for God, it won't be possible. So we just wanna celebrate you, and we wanna thank you also na you have invited us. It's an honor to be part of your renewal. And may verse kami para sa inyo.
And this is from Proverbs 3:6. So let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of man, of God and man. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, and in all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. So I think this is a perfect formula na as long as you love and be faithful to one another, so ang result nun is of course submit to God, and that will be equal to more years of love, togetherness, and more years to celebrate your wedding anniversary. Again,
Happy anniversary and happy wedding and happy renewal of your marriage.
God bless you.
God bless you both.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy silver anniversary, paring Benji and Marge Eileen. Salamat sa pag-imbita sa amin.
Happy anniversary pare. Salamat sa pag-taste nyo sa amin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Love you guys.
Happy anniversary Pai, tsaka Madam. Patunay na kayang-kaya niyong lampasan kahit ano basta't magkasama kayo.
25 na taon at marami pang darating.
Happy Wedding Silver Anniversary, paring Benji at Madam Eileen.
Congratulations, Kuya Benji and Ate Eileen, for your 25th wedding anniversary.
Stay in love and respectful to each other and be a role model to your children. God bless you and your family.
So yan, dito pa ako sa office. Dahil 25th wedding anniversary nyo, medyo mahaba-haba. Hindi dyan. Ayoko masyadong mahaba kasi baka boring. Magiging boring sa dami ng alam kong kwento. So anyway, yung mga nakatatak na lang, nagpatatak sa akin, siguro kasi sa dami, no? So, backgrounder lang, mga kaibigan nyo, alam yan, mga bits and pieces ng kwento, pero kami mga magkakapatid mo, talagang alam na alam yung kwento. So, anyway, backgrounder lang, sa kwento na rin for the sake ng mga iba nyong kaibigan. Yan si Lingling, siya bata pa sila ni Benji no na in love graduating siya. So, yan siya, at least, nung graduate naman siya, sabi ganun, to our consolation, hindi. Yan siya, gusto ko siyang maging, kumuha ng PT. Kasi, nung time na yon, physical therapist, kasi nung 90s yun nung time na yon, gusto kasi siya mag-abroad. Nung time na yon, ang in demand sa abroad or mas kinukuha, yung nasa medical profession. But since medyo matagal ang medicine, sabi ko sa kanya, mag-PT muna, parang pinaka-pre-med niya. Kaya kung hindi naman siya magdidiretso na medicine, at least nandun pa rin siya sa same line. Ganyan. Kasi ako sa accountancy, so medyo malayo. Yung time na yon, either medicine, nasa medical profession ka, or house help, yon. So, gusto ko yung, kasi, di ba, nag-abroad ka dati, yun yung nakaka-angat-angat sa buhay, ganyan. So, siguro hindi yung goal ko na parang gusto kong ma-break yung cycle, ma-break yung ng family namin na, kasi mahirap lang kami. We were raised by a fisherman. At si tatay hindi namin yung kinihiya, ganun. So, 6 kami, nani-raise din ni nanay, single-handedly dahil, yun nga, housewife siya. So, anyway, yan si Lily matalino yan kaya yun yung pangarap ko sa kanya kasi alam ko kaya niya dahil nga matalino siya and tapos hindi ko alam kung alam niya to pero ito yung POV ko nung graduate siya dahil nga consume niya nun si Psyche. Medyo may tampo ako kasi nga yun parang hindi siya nakatupad sa usapan namin. Hindi ako ma-attend ng graduation niya. Hindi naman, parents naman ang attend. I mean, hindi ako nagpakita or nag-celebrate sa graduation niya. Kasi nandun naman yung sinananay, yun naman importante, maka-attend yung parents namin. But then, ako mismo, hindi ako naki-celebrate ng graduation niya. Siguro kasi may kunting tampo or what. Pero, wala magagawa eh. Nandun na yun. Sinuportahan namin siya. Both families, kila Benji, tsaka sa amin. Ganyan. So anyway, few months pa lang si Sai. Bakit ba yung mga kwento ko, no? Nag-conceive siya ulit kay Kiefer. So, dahil maagang nabuntis agad siya, may mga complications. So, 5 going 6 months, lalabas si Kiefer. So, pinapili siya ng doktor. Medyo hindi maganda yung sitwasyon. Pinapili si Benji ng doktor kung sino yung ipapasave niya. Si Lingling or yung anak nila, si Kiefer. So, Benji is confronted with a very difficult decision in his life. So, hindi siya syempre makakapag-decide kasi asawa niya versus yung anak niya, diba? So, which is pareho importante. But the doctors made it easier for him na sinabi niya na yung bata, kahit na survive, lalaki siyang hindi normal and all, tapos hindi rin siya tatagal, ganyan. So, before pa nag-decide si Benji, Kiefer, medyo bumigay yun. So, we stayed overnight kay Benji dun sa hospital na we prayed hard. Sinamahan namin siya magdasal hanggang sa in-announce ng doctor na stable na si Lingling. So, yun. And that's probably yung stage ng buhay nila na isa sa nagpatatag sa relasyon nilang dalawa because kumbaga young couple kayo, nagre-raise kayo ng family, tapos biglang may ganitong malaking pagsubok. Anyway, nakayanan naman nila yon, talampasan nila. May mga dumating pang pagsubok, pero alam ko, bumabalik sila dun sa bakit nila pinili yung isa't isa. So, yun. Kasi si Kiefer naging stillbirth pero may reason why, 'di ba? Yung naging ano nila yon sa family nila. So anyway, enough of the sad part, pero yun talaga pinaka painful and saddest memory nila bilang mag-asawa. So anyway, nakapag-abroad naman sila both. Nandiyan sila nagstay sila sa NC with the family. So okay na rin, ganyan. Kasi nung si Benji, parang hindi mo, kung sa first impression, dahil bata pa nga sila, hindi mo rin ma-expect na parang, kaya ba niya bumuhay yung family? Kasi first impression, sabi mo, easy-go-lucky. Pero hindi naman easy-go-lucky na responsible, kundi parang wala pang maturity to raise a family. But then, kinaya nga nila, nandiyan sila sa NC, na nandun kasama family. So, at least, medyo sad lang wala si tatay to see all this. Pero yan pa si nanay at saka parang nakita niya yung milestone sa married life niyo dyan. Tapos yung parents ni Benji, ganyan. At wait lang, so, fast forward to today, kayo, celebrating your 25th wedding anniversary. So, sana meron pang 50 and more, ganyan. Kasi maganda nga sana kung dito yun na-celebrate. Pero okay na din yan sa NC, at least parang close families nyo lang, ganyan. And, wait. Sorry, may mga sa office. So, anyway, sa tingin ko naman, ang dami nyo ng pinagdaan ng pagsubok. Babalik pa rin kayo doon sa pundasyon na yung mga na overcome yung lahat yun. Ganyan. Tapos, hindi ko lang alam kung sino yung nagmamahal sa kanino, sa inyo. Kasi, si Benji, kamukha niya lahat ng mga anak nyo. Ganon. Tapos, si Benji, isa yung sure ko, kahit na malaking tao si Benji, siya yung iyakin sa inyo dalawa. Yun lang. Cheers to more years of love and commitment. Ayun, wala akong champagne dito. Ballpen lang. Cheers.
Hi, Tita and Tito. Congratulations on your 25th wedding anniversary. I love you both.